marvelous. Then back again after a long time. That's the beach. And this should be sand riding. Not easy. Like I've said always, never change direction in sand quickly. You're asking for trouble. The right momentum helps. Ho 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 ho. Woo! Now the sprocket side. That got rid of things. But I'll take it a little further. Take some pictures for Instagram. Long time since I've been active on Instagram. There's been a lot of reasons of late that I've not been able to be productive, both on and offline. But that is the nature of life. You just can't be a machine and keep at things. You need to take a break every once in a while. Don't dig in, don't dig in, don't dig in. Yep, stay right there. And I think both the machine and me, not the machine, of course, the machine is all good to do it millions of times. This fella just wants to be out in the dirt, out in all the shit. He just doesn't care. He loves being out here, out in the open. Takes me just about anywhere and everywhere, point and shoot. That's how it is with this machine. My skills have taken a hit, partly because my shoulder is still I had a muscle tear about 4 years ago, and it has never healed. It never healed fully. I was just trying to stall the surgery for as long as I could, and I believe now it's the time. Next month I'll have shoulder surgery and fix my rotator cuff. My rotator cuffs have gone for cuff muscles have gone for a toss, and it just doesn't help to be riding the motorcycle, especially in off-road terrain where there's a lot of maneuvering and a lot of body balancing and a lot of shoulder engagement. So and that is why I have not been doing this a lot these days. But that being said, how long can I stay away from doing this, man? Yeah, the motorcycle, the landscape like this, how much of it can you resist? How much of it can you resist? I love the way the bike looks without the fender, and it's starting to dry up. It's no more raining here in my part of the world, so it's good to have the bike without the fender. At the most, what you will be seeing is a little bit of a splash onto the frame, but that can be handled. If you are good at cleaning, if you're good at maintaining, all that can be handled very easily. No problems there. There is this big bloody mod, all the mods that's gone into this motorcycle to make it the way it is. Video yet that needs to be released, but there's a lot of editing in that, there's a lot of work in that, and that is why it's taking time, guys. I'm terribly sorry, but you will have it come your way very soon. And well, I think that should be it. I should get back on the single track. The single track is fun, a lot of body balancing. It's because it's not long, it's just this quick turns, and look at this. Look at the world's most beautiful flower. This is the national flower of India. Wow. Beautiful, isn't it? And then there's a spider. Poor fella. He was waiting for his catch, and I caught him. Nature of life, huh? Wow. A pond, a lotus pond, and all the filth. You just can't argue with that. Absolutely no point in arguing with anyone on all the filth that you get to see. Okay, so this would be a pivot turn. There you go. Anyways, motorcycling comes with a lot that you need to learn.